So I love discovering new foods, and Otofuku sent me this Okonomiyaki chef kit with everything that you need in it in order to make these special okonomiyaki, I say it wrong every time, pancakes. And then it comes also with the sweet sauce and the spicy sauce in it, so that you can, whether you like it sweet or spicy, you can make it. Now it comes with also, it has a little card in there that kind of explains what you need to get and how to make it and everything like that. So I just pretty much followed the instructions on here. I swapped out a couple of the ingredients, but it looked like this at the end. I had some scallops, I had some mixed vegetables with some cabbage in it instead of just cabbage. And then I used some scallions like it said, the flour, the sauces, the eggs, all that kind of stuff. And I just kind of mixed it all together. Not the sauce, of course, you put the sauce on in the end. Fried it up in the pan as kind of like a pancake type thing. And once I did that, I just garnished it with some pickled onions and some sauce and stuff like that. And overall, I got to say, I was pretty happy to have sort of tried and discovered this new dish. I'll try it again in some different variations.